Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy the BruhBucks tokens coin. This is super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step in a simple tutorial. So first you want to go to poolcoin.app and you want to go to search bar and search for BruhBucks. So once you've done that, you'll be on a page like this. And as you can see, this is how it looks. This is the chart. And what you want to do then, you have to use a wallet. And for that, you need Google Chrome. As you can see, I have Google Chrome as well. The wallet we are going to be using is MetaMask. MetaMask is great. And you want to add it to Chrome. And once you've done that and hit install, you want to go to the top right. And here it will be as a Chrome extension. So here it is. This is how it will look for you, but first you have to log in. And what we have to do first, we have to add the Binance Smart Chain. So when we hit networks, we can't use the normal network, we have to use the Binance Smart Chain. But by default, it's not added. So what you want to do, you want to go to custom RPC, you want to use Binance Smart Chain as name, RPC URL as this one, and I'll put everything in the link in the description down below. So all of this you can find in the description down below. So this is 56 BNB and BC scan, but you can find everything. Then hit save. So I already created it. Go to the top and change to Binance Smart Chain, and then when we go back, there we go. Hit switch network. There we go. This is how it looks right now with the BNB balance. Then the next step, what we want to do, we first have to add BNB to this wallet in order to later change this to BruhBucks. So you want to go to Binance. So I definitely recommend you Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, create it through the link in the description down below for lower fees. Then you want to go to wallet, fiat and spot. And then we want to go to BNB. Let's find it. Here it is. Hit withdraw, and now we are going to send some BNB from Binance to our MetaMask wallet. So select BNB, then open up your wallet again, and copy this account, paste it in here, and as you can see, it automatically changed to BIP20, and then enter any amount you want. So this can be any amount you want. That doesn't really matter. I don't have enough balance, but just what you want to do. Hit send and it will be sent instantly to your wallet. So once it is added to your wallet, here will show the amount of BNB you have. You want to go to a website called pancakeswap.finance. And what you want to do then, you want to go to the top right and you want to log in. So I already logged in, but just hit login and then you get this, which will be your wallet. Then you want to go to trade at the left, go to exchange. And then you can change this from BNB to any currency you want. So we are going to be changing it to BruhBucks. Hit select currency, go to the Poolcoin app again, and now you want to copy this part of the link. So from 0 to D. So it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's exactly this one, 0 to D. Make sure you copy it, go to PancakeSwap, paste it in here, and there it is, the Bruh token. Now you can enter in any amount you want, and as you can see, this is how much BruhBucks you can buy. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.